Let us see how to drop the database now. So again, it can be done in two ways by using a UI. So you can right click here, and here you can see drop schema. You can do it in this way. So let me drop in with the help of this UI, and now it is asking you whether do you want to confirm it. So you can just confirm it by just clicking on that, and now you can see your college database has been dropped. Now if I want to drop this emp, you can again right click and you can click on drop schema, or you can write a command here. So let me write a command here, like query here drop, and then you say the database. I want to drop the database, write database, and you give a name. So which database you want to drop. So it is like this MySQL is showing you IntelliSense. So do you want the emp or employee? So let me click on tab. So it will take emp. You can select this and execute. So once you execute, you can see drop database emp has been executed, and but now you can see you do not get any database called emp. So similarly, you can drop the employee database also. So this was like how to
Sir, can you
drop the
repeat
database.
this tip, please?
Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.